Hello guys, I'm Halin Quez. To tell you in this tutorials how to go for your Gmail recovery password in case someone who has stolen your Gmail password. Unfortunately, you have forgot your Gmail password, or someone who has hacked your Gmail password. You have lost your device. Unfortunately, this happened with this viewer who has lost his device. Now, he has recommended to recover this Gmail password because he doesn't have the recovery email and the recovery phone so that he can reset. And it's a data privacy concern, so let's quickly recover via alternative option by providing sufficient information to other Googles. This can be the possible, but how it is, of course, this is not a normal method that you can recover. Let's buy exceptionals. Here is the things that I have tried with the normal method. It's the things that I did not provide enough information for the Google to be sure that this account is mine. And this can be recovered when answer is question zones or your account is managed with family links. So we have sent an emails to chance your password. It means if we try again here multiple times, then of course Google will contact you. That option will be open there and there. We will have to provide sufficient information by alternative email. Google will endorse to justify that either this account is yours or not. So in that condition, of course, totally estimated time that can be expected more than 48 hours. So in that condition, you cannot wait such a long time. So once again, I would like to show you how. See what's the happenings. If you go in account recovery, let's take 1 minute more here. We don't have this password because we have lost a device, so now we'll go for here, try another way. And if we go for try another way, then it's asking the phone. We don't have a phone, so now see here, similar this problem. So don't click on here now, just we will come to Play Store. In the Play Store, of course, we will have to write here this ones, we will tap on it, and of course we will write here best browser and keep it on this. Now let's have now here is a especially DuckDuckGo AI search browser. How easily this can be recovered? Let's see. It will take scarcely 1 minute to download because 30 MB total size of this browser. Now hold it. This is a crucial step that we will have to execute on similar way. Yes, we will come in app info, their notification we will have to make it blocked, so let's tap on it. Now you will have enabled, so you will have to disable it. Now see guys, it's gone a little bit hacked, this smartphones guys, but what if we can here? Now I'm not in a position to change the smartphones. Now here just we will come the permission. In permission we'll have to come the locations to navigate the location. Make the precise location of first and the pawn. We will go for don't allow any. So no longer the function is intended of this browser. For typing I'm doing not the permanence, don't worry. Now we will come on this once again Google. We will hold this Google Chrome browser. We will come in app info and the pawn. We will come in a notification and make it off. Then we will have to back and come the permission, similar strategy we will have to execute. So free of space we will have to off, then navigate the location, make the precise location off, then click here, don't allow anyway, no longer function as intended, it's notifying, then we will have to back. Now here what we will have to back one more time. We will come in space 11 defaults. Now DuckDuckGo, this browser of course we will pick this one, we will get it from here and upon. Let's open this browser. Now it's time to open. You will have to accept the term and condition of this browser, so it's welcome, so that's okay, no problem at all. So now let's do it. First now here we'll go for defaults as the browser, choose the browser, and we have click on a top, and now here simply we'll have to write Google code.in because just according to a country code of course we'll have to apply. So let's see, now we are on a Google comes. Now we will go in a green dot to a shining, and let's hit this ones. Now that we come on here we will have to actually have this ID, so let's have to picture this ID. This I had tried multiple times on a Google browser, so it's now coming here directly. We will go for forgot password, go with the similar status. Now so here we don't have these options, so try another way. Of course we will pick this because lost his device. Now we will go for yes don't have. Now there is more tips to recover these accounts. This is magic happens. Yes, so we are not in the position to complete answer as many questions as we can, and then we can recover. We cannot go with or especially this option. With this option, why it's so? Because you device use a device where you have the sign in the before. We cannot. Third one, if you're a council manager, the family, we have something they will show the parents. That was the first option. We cannot. So fourth one, we will pick. So there's more tips to recover this account, but not from here. Otherwise, you will trap in its verify you option. So here, don't click on try again. And then what can I do? Yes, Google itself will recover. Don't worry. Just I will take the few minutes more. Yes, we will tap on a sharing. Sharing, of course, we will have to come to Google service. Check it out in your smartphones. Here is a Google service. Below the accounts and backups. Now we have a 3 dot at the corner on any smartphones after coming the Google service, and upon of course here can sign the email accounts or Google accounts. Now the fourth option, you think someone else is using, because losing a device, of course maybe someone was using or not. I don't know, but of course let's see. We will apply this condition on the hacking. So just we will go for here, secure these accounts. Now we are trying to secure these accounts. Yes, here is review your accounts. In a review your accounts, there is find out if your account has been hacked. These options. So we would like to find out this account. Of course it has been hacked. So let's see now. Now we tap on it. Now we have option these stands to recover these accounts. Now here once again we will go here. Let's see. Here is a create a replacement Google account. So we cannot create once again another. Avoid getting locked out to your Gmail accounts. Can I add this special options? No. Here is a Google accounts and accounts google.com here. This ones also we cannot use here. Now check it out here. Now here is options that is special account recovery page. Let's pick these ones. Now it has been changed automatically, and once again it is asking especially here. Now what we will do here, write this account once again and let's cut it, and we are on here. Just simply we will have to tap on it next. Now here smartly don't click on a continue. Just we will click on a especially change the password. Why it's so? Because if we click on a especially continue, then what will happen? It's verify your option. In that you would be trapped. So don't click on here. Just we will smartly click on a change the password. And now we have a times to change the password. Of course, new password right here. Enter the confirms a new password and thereupon we will go for change it. After changing, then of course we will tap on it this T and have to go in especially manage your Gmail accounts, guys. If we tap on it, then of course we will have to go in the security center and there add the recovery email and the recovery phone number, whatever is not filled there. Then firstly email, if it is not filled, then by getting OTP from say especially email we can remove the especially phone number, and thereupon of course these can be also added, can be replaced. On a live screen that we cannot create especially right now, guys, because it would be in a public domain. So this is all about in this tutorials. For the main inquiry, of course, add the query below the comment box. Plus would be minus to reply your query. Yes, now after office screens we will have to create and we will have to deliver in this audience. So thank you. For the main confusion query, of course, please have a query in the comment box. Pleasure would be mine. And if it is informative and acknowledgeable, then don't forget like, subscribe, and share this concept, because this is a thing that will inspire me a lot to the back end such as informative tutorial, guys. So thank you very much indeed. Have a great time. Bye bye.